That way you can love everybody right. Treat everybody right. That sounds pretty good to me. That already comes. That might want to put your hands together. No form of fashion or anything. Just want to sing to you for just a second.